What's up guys, welcome back to Nuts and Bolts Auto. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change the wiper blades on your car or truck. It's something super simple, but it's part of maintenance and a lot of people might not know how to change the wiper blades. Anyway, to get started, you come over here to your wipers and you pull back the arm, and you want to look right here on the hinge to see what kind of wiper arm you have. And this one here is a hook style because it comes like this and then it hooks back. So for this particular kind, you want to pull back the rubber and then grab your wiper blade and pull back on it, and then that's going to pull it out of its slot, and then you can come over here and pull it out. Now when you do have your wiper arm up here, you want to be real careful not to let this fall over, because then it could spring over and then hit your windshield and you could break it. So just be real careful with that. So like I said earlier, there's different kinds of wiper arms. This one here is called the hook because it's a little hook. There's some that are pin type, in which case right here you'll see a little pin. And then there's the bayonet, which is like a square with the hole in the middle. And then looking at the box of my new wiper arm, so here's the pin type that I was talking about, the hook kind that we have, and then the bayonet. Okay, so besides knowing what kind of wiper arm you have, you also need to know the size of the blade that you need, in which case you just measure it from here to here and find out how many inches long it is. So as you can see right here, my wiper blade is 18 inches long. So I need an 18-inch replacement wiper blade. When you're looking at your car, you want to make sure you measure both wiper arms, because a lot of the times the passenger side is shorter than the driver's side. So once you know what kind of wiper arm you have and you know what length of wiper blade you need, it's up to you to choose what style of wiper blade you're going to use. So this wiper blade is a conventional type, which is the cheapest option pretty much, and there are different kinds. Like there's a flat one that's just going to be a flat blade altogether, and a hybrid, which is basically this, but it's got the rubber overmold. And there's even some that have additives on here to repel the water, and some are even made of silicone. So it just depends how expensive you want to get, but most of the types of wiper blades are interchangeable. For my situation here, I usually just buy the cheapest option because I live in the desert and these don't really tend to last very long. As you can see on this one, what happened to it is that the little rubber blade that's on here, it just ended up falling apart. So for the replacement, like I said, I have purchased some of the better wiper arms, but it just seems like no matter what I do, I mean, it's still gonna last around a year. So I'd rather spend $5 a year than $20 a year. So I went ahead and bought the same one again. Here I have the new one. Now if you do want them to last longer, it'd be a good idea to wipe the blade down every once in a while with some silicone spray, and that'll help protect the rubber a little longer. And this particular blade that I bought is kind of universal, and by that I mean that it'll fit different styles of wiper arm. So this here is going to have these little tabs for the hook arm, and then if yours has the pin, you'll stick the pin through here first and then click it on. And then for the bayonet, you have this little locking tab in the back. Anyways, to get it back on, I just pull this plastic over. That way I can get the hook in through here and then latch it on, and then I'll push this out so that it hooks into the tabs. So here we are back on the truck. I'm just gonna get it through the hole right there and then pull the plastic out and then just pull out. And you should hear it snap in, and you can see that the little tabs are holding on to the wiper arm. Once you got that done, just pull the wiper blade down and then put the arm back down slowly. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. So now to change the passenger side, pull back the wiper arm, straighten it out, and again, pull it out of here. And then on the wiper blade, you want to get this end out again. Put it over here, slide it through, put it in, and pull it off. Once again, just make sure that the little tabs have come out and it's fully seated. So here we are with the brand new wiper blades. So that's perfect. Everything's nice and streak free. So there you go guys. I hope this helped you out. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those other goodies. Thank you.